of dark, but I like dark. It is Tuesday, and I finally got one of my boxes. I was just saying yesterday, when are any of them gonna come? I got a Boxy Charm, and I got a card from Kim at Kimmy's Boxes. I already opened it. I cheated and opened it. I opened that too, for that matter. Warm wishes at Easter, and it's got tulips, which is my favorite flower. How did she know? And Easter eggs. And then inside, she drew a flower. And it says, Pat and family, may your springtime be lovely and your whole year be blessed. Happy Easter to you and those you love best. I sure hope you have a hoppy Easter. H-O-P-P-Y. You're one super fun and special lady. Love, Kim, from Kimmy's Boxes. I love this card because I love tulips. So pretty. I used to have a stamp set that was tulips, but I don't know what happened to it. It was like years and years, like 20 years ago maybe, so it's somewhere along the way it's disappeared. Alrighty, here is my Boxy Charm. Looks like some good stuff. It says Lucky, because, you know, St. Patrick's Day and all that, so it's got shamrocks and buttons, I guess. I don't know. They look like buttons to me. Maybe they're supposed to be money. I don't know. So this is a little card with, tells you the prices and everything that you got. So this is, I had to ask my granddaughter about this because I've never used it before. Lip oil. For some reason I thought, well, you just put lip oil on at night as like, kind of like a mask. But she says no, it's more like gloss, and you put it on. You can put it on in the daytime, and it'll keep your lips moist. Because she said when people put, you know, like chapstick or whatever on, it seals in what moisture you have, but it doesn't give you more moisture. And this gives you more moisture. So it is K-A-B. I would call that, yeah, it's a B. It looks like, kind of looks like an R. See, it looks kind of like an R, but it curves around and it's a B. I never heard of them, but that doesn't mean anything. I don't know, I can't tell what color this is. It kind of looks like a peachy color. Let's see. Oh, you can't, it's pretty much just clear. You could put it over the top of any of your lipsticks because there's like no color to it at all. I put it on right there and I can feel the oil, but moisten up my lips with it. Make my lips shiny, but it doesn't color them at all. So whatever color you want to wear, continue to wear. So obviously I'm keeping this one because I just put it on my mouth, so I'm not giving it away. And let's see what they say about it. KAB Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for a comfortable juicy lip all day long. MSRP is $20. And this box is, I can't remember from one time to the next. I can never remember. It's $25, I think. Might be $30, but I think it's $25. Then we have this. It's rose water setting spray. I'm probably not going to keep it. I'm probably going to put it in a giveaway because I don't like flower scents at all. They give me a headache. So I'm probably not going to be able to deal with this one. I'm going to give this away, but I'm not going to touch anything except the outside. It's not too bad, but yeah, it would give me a headache, I'm sure. So it's, the brand is Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. Where are you? There you are. Set your intentions and your makeup with this Aura Lifting Antioxidant Packed Rose Water Setting Spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. Wow. MSRP is $22, so we're already almost double what I paid for it. This one, just because of what's on the box, I know I'm not going to keep this one. I hate the scent of bananas. It's Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream. I don't care how moisturizing it is. I'm not putting it on me because I hate the smell of bananas. My granddaughter's the same way. She's looking at it going, nope. A soothing lightweight moisturizer that seals in lasting hydration without clogging pores. It's non-comedogenic and non-acnogenic, whatever those two things mean, making it especially good for sensitive skin. Blended with bananas, chia seed, magnesium, turmeric, and cica, C-I-C-A. It's your recipe for hydrated, healthy looking skin. $39. So this is gonna go in a giveaway, and it's a pretty nice prize. Right. I kind of want to look at these. They're in a package, but I want to open them if I can get it open without making you wait a million years. Sealed in plastic. It's their eye masks that are avocado, and I want to see if they're avocado shaped. It's got avocados on the box, and it's got avocados in the formula, but you know, the eye things are almost avocado shaped anyway, so I think it'd be hilarious if these look like avocados. But they probably don't, but I think it'd be funny. Kind of like those animal face masks that you can get, what you look like a koala bear or a zebra or something. I think it'd be funny if these actually looked like avocados. Come on. Let's go. I got half of it off, but there we go. Finally. Okay, let's see what these look like. Oh, I'm going to have to take it out of the package. There's several of them in here. Let's see how many. Now, I can't tell if they look like avocados, but I can tell they're that eye-shaped thing because I can feel the bumps of it. There's 1, 2, 3 of them in here. Oops. I haven't ever used any. My next Mask Monday, today's Monday, so it'll be next week, obviously. Maybe I'll give these a try. These are Beauty Crop Avocado Hydrating Eye Masks. These Nourishing Avocado and Green Tea Infused Eye Patches will hydrate and depuff your tired eyes. Avocado moisturizes and targets dry skin, while the green tea energizes and depuffs your under eyes. Say goodbye to stress. Treat and relax your under eyes. You deserve it. And these are $18, so that's what? 3 into 18, $6 each. That's about what most of those kind of things are. And last but not least, this is a pretty good box. I mean, it's not, 2 of the things I won't use, but the other 3 I will. And the 2 I'm not going to use are really nice to put in a giveaway. So, oh, the dog's going nuts. I don't know why. He already went on a walk, so I don't know what his issue is. Because usually he goes nuts like that when he's getting to go on a walk. But he just went on a walk, so I don't know. This is really, I don't know if what do they call them? Pods? The little pots, maybe the little round things that's got the eyeshadow in it. I don't know if they're real deep or what the deal is, because look how thick this is. It's Venus 3 by Lime Crime. Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. This palette is filled with rapturous lilac, rose gold, mauve, and earthy brown shades. The ultra buttery formula sweeps on rich pigmented color that doesn't fade or fall out. The dreamy lavender and rose gold box is graced with Venus herself. I don't know if I'm going to keep these or not, so I'm not going to swatch them, but they are really pretty. It's got 3 purples, and you know how I've been into purple lately, so I might be tempted to keep it. So there's that purple, and that purple. And then there's a silver and a, I don't know, mauve color. And what is that? Brown. These are browns, and this corner one's a brown one. So, I don't know, those are really pretty purples. Might be tempted to keep it because I'm so into purple lately. We shall see. If I don't keep it and give it away, it's the start of my, I talked about having a collab where we all give away boxes to our subscribers instead of to each other. So I'm going to do that in April, so start building your little collection if you want to join us. And we'll just, the only rules of this is that whoever wins has to be subscribed to all the channels of whoever enters it. But other than that, you can run your giveaway however you want. You can have a magic word, you can have it last, they shouldn't last more than a couple of weeks. Everybody ought to kind of finish up around the same time, but you'll be able to kind of do it the way you want to do it. And if you want to send to Canada, yes, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. If you live in Canada and you only want to send to Canada, you can do that too, whatever you want to do. So I hope you are having a good week. It's Tuesday, so you're trucking along. I think this is a really good box. I got a nice eyeshadow palette worth $38. So that's more than the cost of the whole thing by far. Got these eye masks, $18. This was, what was this? This rose setting spray, $22. This lip hydrating thing, I can still feel it's moisturizing my lips, and I put it on, well, I don't know however long I put it on. $20. And then this is this banana souffle stuff. I bet it's really nice. It's just the smell will kill me. It's $39. This is the most expensive thing in the box. It's $1 more than the eyeshadow palette's $38, but this is $39. So I think I added all this up, and I think it comes, if I did it right, a quick add in my head, it comes to like $118 for everything in this box. And I paid $25 or $30, I think $25. So I'm always pleased with what I get from Boxy Charm. Even if I don't keep it all, it gives me some great giveaways. Whether I give them to family or I give them to y'all. So if you're interested in Boxy Charm, I'd highly advise it. I don't think I have any kind of code that gets you a discount, but give it a try for a month or two. I think I get it a little cheaper because I do it 3 months at a time. It must be over 30, trying to think, because I got a discount because I did it for 3 months, and I think it ended up around $76. So I don't know what it normally is, because that wouldn't, if it was 25, that wouldn't be a discount. So it must be 30 or you know, 30-ish. Anyway, they'll tell you online. I'm just terrible at remembering. I'll try and look it up and put it in the notes below, because I stink it. Because all these things are like 25, 30, 35. They're all like right around the same price, and I can't remember from one time to the next which one's who does what to whom. I also went to Dollar Tree and to Walmart and bought some Easter stuff for my other two granddaughters. So I'm going to do a video next with a haul of what I got at Dollar Tree and Walmart. So I'm probably going to put that one up on Wednesday. I don't want to give you too many in one day, so we'll spread it out a little and we'll put that one up on Wednesday. So yesterday you had got two. You got the collab one and the Mask Monday, and today you get Boxy Charm, and the next day you're going to get my Dollar Tree haul. I'm going to film it right now. I'm not put it up though. So I'll have the same clothes on. I apologize, but I'm too lazy to change. If you're interested in unboxings, I do all kinds. I do unboxings. I do Mask Mondays. I do shout outs. I do cooking, crafts. I do all kinds of stuff. I do this and that and tags. And if any of that or all of that interests you, please subscribe. And I hope to see you again soon. And I love to hear from you, so please comment.